In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up and use revenue recognition in QuickBooks Online Advanced. This feature lets you invoice customers for services delivered over time while automatically recognizing the revenue based on your chosen schedule. To get started, go to Settings, Account and Settings, then Sales, Product and Services, turn on Revenue Recognition, then click Save and Done. Next, go to Accounting, Revenue Recognition and create a new revenue recognition template. Choose a recognition method, set the frequency such as monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and define the recognition period. Save the template, then assign it to the appropriate product or service and select the liability account that will hold the deferred revenue. Now you are ready to create an invoice. Open Create, then Invoice. Select your customer and the service you'd link to the revenue recognition template. Enter the service start date and complete the invoice as usual. QuickBooks will automatically create a revenue recognition schedule, gradually moving the deferred revenue from the liability account to your income account over the selected period. If you ever need to make changes, open the invoice, go to revenue recognition section and edit the schedule. You can also monitor all recognized and deferred revenue by opening the revenue recognition report from the reports menu. And that's how you set up and use revenue recognition in QuickBooks Online Advanced. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.